Have you ever felt deep down that there's an invisible blueprint guiding your financial life? A pattern you didn't consciously choose, yet one that seems to dictate the ebb and flow of your prosperity. Perhaps you've worked diligently, even tirelessly, only to find yourself returning to familiar financial landscapes, as if an unseen architect were drawing you back to a design you've long outgrown. What if the very structure of your wealth, or the lack of it, is not merely a consequence of external events, but an intricate, energetic architecture built upon the information flowing through your very being?
And as you allow that thought to settle, perhaps you can begin to sense the profound truth in it. We speak of architecture, and immediately the mind might turn to grand structures, to the magnificent temple built by King Solomon, a testament to wisdom, resources, and a divine blueprint. Solomon, renowned for his discernment, understood that true prosperity begins not with the accumulation of gold, but with the conscious design of an inner world, a carefully constructed framework of thought and intention that then manifests in the physical realm. He didn't just build a temple, he built a system, a flow of resources, guided by a higher understanding.
So, as you begin to settle into this moment, perhaps allowing your eyes to gently close, or simply softening your gaze, you might notice the subtle energies within you. Feel the weight of any old, unconscious blueprints that have been dictating your financial reality.
Yes, becoming aware for conscious information flow is the very essence of quantum architecture. Think of Solomon, not just as a king, but as a master architect of consciousness. He received divine wisdom, a blueprint of unparalleled detail, and then meticulously applied that information, transforming raw materials into a structure of profound significance and beauty. Your own wealth blueprint is no less significant, no less capable of being transformed. Imagine that every thought you think about money, every belief you hold about abundance or scarcity, every emotion you attach to your financial reality, each of these is a piece of information. And these pieces of information are constantly flowing, shaping the energetic foundations of your prosperity, moment by moment.
And as you begin to really feel the truth of this, you can start to differentiate between the information that serves your highest good and the information that has merely been inherited or absorbed from your environment. Imagine these old, limiting beliefs as dusty, brittle blueprints, perhaps drawn up by others long ago, filled with outdated specifications and unnecessary constraints. You might even begin to visualize them, perhaps seeing them as faded parchment, or feeling their stiffness, or hearing the quiet whisper of their old, repetitive stories. And as you recognize them for what they are, simply information, not immutable truth, you create a space, a spaciousness for something new to emerge.
That spaciousness, that opening, is where the quantum leap begins. For in the quantum realm, information is fluid, potential is infinite, and the observer's intention shapes reality. You are not merely a passive recipient of a predetermined financial fate. You are the conscious architect, capable of receiving new, higher frequency information and consciously integrating it into your wealth blueprint. Just as Jesus spoke of the kingdom of heaven being within, so too is the blueprint for true prosperity, an abundance that transcends mere material gain, residing within the informed consciousness. It is a flow, a living stream of divine intelligence, awaiting your conscious engagement.
So begin now to gently release the grip of those old, limiting blueprints. You don't need to fight them or judge them. Simply acknowledge their existence, and then, with a deep cleansing breath, let them begin to dissolve, like old ink fading from a page. And as they gently recede, notice the lightness that begins to fill that space. Feel the subtle shift, the quiet expansion within your mind, within your very being. This is the fertile ground for your new quantum architecture of prosperity, a space where conscious information can flow freely, unhindered, ready to be impressed upon the very fabric of your financial future. You are preparing the sacred ground, clearing the old structures, making way for a grander design. And now, in this sacred, cleared space within you, a space you have consciously prepared, allow yourself to simply feel the quiet hum of possibility. It's a gentle vibration, like the first stirrings of dawn, or the subtle resonance of a perfectly tuned instrument. You might sense it as a warmth in your chest, or a lightness in your being, a deep, abiding knowing that something truly magnificent is about to take form. This is your inner architect awakening, ready to impress its grandest vision upon the very fabric of your reality.
Yes, feel that deep potential, that fertile ground, and begin now to perceive the very first elements of this new quantum architecture. It's not built of wood or stone, but of conscious information. Every thought you hold, every belief you nurture, every intention you set becomes a foundational element. Just as King Solomon, in his profound wisdom, sought divine blueprints for the temple, a structure designed not just for beauty, but as a dwelling place for the sacred, you too are now seeking and receiving the divine blueprints for your prosperity. You can begin to see these blueprints unfold before your inner eye, perhaps as shimmering lines of light or as a vibrant, intricate tapestry of pure potential.
And as you see these blueprints, notice how they feel. They are not heavy or burdensome, but light and expansive, filled with an elegant simplicity. You might feel a profound sense of rightness, a deep resonance with your truest self as these designs begin to take shape. These are the blueprints of abundance that align perfectly with your highest good, allowing conscious information to flow freely, unimpeded. Imagine each thought, each positive affirmation, each grateful moment as a specific, perfectly cut stone, ready to be placed with intention and care. And it's so easy to feel the stability, the inherent strength of this new foundation.
This conscious information flow is like a clear, pure river, constantly nourishing the roots of your new financial landscape. Where old patterns might have created blockages, now there is fluid movement. You are no longer building on the shifting sands of unconscious fears or inherited scarcity mindsets. Instead, you are building on the bedrock of conscious awareness, on the unwavering truth that abundance is your birthright, a natural state when your inner architecture is aligned. Remember the teachings of Jesus, speaking of building a house upon a rock. You are choosing that rock now, that solid ground of conscious intent and divine wisdom, ensuring that your prosperity can withstand any storm, because its very foundation is built of pure, unadulterated information, impressed with faith.
And as you continue to impress this conscious information, brick by informational brick, you might notice a quiet confidence beginning to settle within you. This isn't arrogance, but a deep, peaceful certainty that comes from knowing you are building with purpose and divine guidance. You can hear the gentle whispers of encouragement from your higher self, guiding each step, confirming each choice. Feel the smooth texture of these new informational blocks, perfectly interlocking, creating a structure that is not only strong, but also beautiful, reflecting the inner harmony you are cultivating. This inner architecture is a mirror, reflecting outward the prosperity you are creating within.
Consider King David, who gathered the vast resources and materials, preparing everything necessary for Solomon to build the temple. In a similar way, you have been gathering your own resources, your insights, your intentions, your cleared space, making way for this grand construction. You are actively participating in the quantum field, where every conscious thought sends out ripples, attracting and organizing the very elements needed for your prosperity to manifest. This is quantum architecture in action, seeing the unseen structure first, understanding that the blueprint is the foundation, and that by consciously impressing this information, you bring it into tangible form.
You will begin to see the tangible results of this inner work unfolding gracefully in your outer world.
And now allow yourself to see this magnificent quantum architecture of prosperity fully formed within you. It's not just a mental image, but a felt reality, a vibrant, living structure that resonates with peace, security, and boundless potential. Feel the spaciousness, the light, the effortless flow of abundance within its walls. This is your new home, your inner sanctuary of prosperity, built with conscious information, infused with divine wisdom, and sustained by your unwavering faith. You are a master architect, and your creation is glorious.
This deep, abiding sense of peace and resolution, this knowing that your quantum architecture is strong and true, will stay with you. It will guide your decisions, illuminate your path, and attract to you all that is in alignment with this grand design. You have done profound work today.
To continue nurturing this sacred space within you, and to deepen your connection to this divine flow of wisdom and prosperity, I warmly invite you to subscribe to the channel Faith in 10 Minutes. It is a place where we continue to explore these profound truths, offering guidance and inspiration for your ongoing journey. May you be blessed with abundant wisdom, unwavering faith, and a prosperity that nourishes your soul and serves the highest good. Go forth now, knowing you are deeply loved, profoundly capable, and eternally blessed.